He didn't walk past it. I didn't see Buzz Lightyear, baby. I didn't see him walk past it. Look, go look. Did he have none of the bed? He might be having none of your bed. Playing with you. Don't let people play with you. That's not what we do. Babes, welcome back to another video. You see the beginning of the video, so you know what eye look we are going for. So jumping right into this look, I'm going to start off using a black eyeshadow base. This is from P. Louise, and it is in the shade Feed Black. And I'm going to place that right on my eyelid, and I'm going to try to create like this winged out shape. Now using a fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to start patting that base down to pretty much give it a matte look and make sure that that base is nice and dry before applying the shadow. Taking a big blend brush, I'm going to start patting that shadow right down on my eyelid, and you can see how it mattifies instantly. So this is one, setting my eyeshadow base, but two, is actually giving me that blackness that I want. Now I'm going to take a clean eyeshadow brush and I'm going to start blending that crease, really making sure that I don't have any harsh lines. Now with this look, I have to use multiple small brushes, and I'm using the J. LaRue Neon Stackable, and this is a loose pigment, so you have to be very careful with this. And I'm just going to start packing this directly on my eyelid. And I found out that when you place a dark base on top of the neon, underneath the neon pigments show much better. So I think that is true, because as you can see, the neon pigments are very, very vibrant, and they're definitely showing up and showing out. So after doing that, I took a clean brush, and I started using a small amount of black eyeshadow and blending out those edges just to make sure it's nice and vibrant. Then I went in with an eyeliner. This is the Inglot eyeliner. I went in with a small eyeliner brush, and I'm just going to start shaping out that wing. Because Inglot is so thick, y'all, I went in with the Sephora's liquid eyeliner to tight line my waterline, because I didn't want to drag it. I didn't want it dragging and messing up my tight line effect on my lash line. So yeah, I went in with the Sephora liquid liner for my lash line, and then the actual wing, I did the Inglot liner. Now for the small details, I did use the Sephora liner as well. And I pretty much made these upside down triangles on the top, and I made regular triangles on the bottom. Make it look like this teeth effect, but it definitely killed with this eye look. Now that the eyes are done, we're going to jump into the face. So I'm using my Revlon 16-hour mattifying primer and my Milani's skin quenching primer. I use the Milani first. This acts as a moisturizer. It leaves my skin extremely smooth. I do have oily skin, so it definitely does not leave my skin too oily, but it leaves it extremely moisturized. After allowing it to dry a little bit, I went in with the Revlon's mattifying primer, and then I started applying my foundation. For the foundation, I'm using two different foundations. The first foundation I'm using was my NYX Bare With Me Blur foundation, and that was in the shade light medium. It's too light, so I did mix that with a little bit of Morphe's foundation as well to get my skin tone. So now I'm just going to pat that into my skin with my foundation brush. Now I'll be going in with my Juvia's Place Shade Stick. This is in the shade Benin, and I'm going to use that to contour my face. I like this color because it's a very warm brown, and it leaves me very toasty and very bronzy. So I like that effect. Now we're going to go in with the concealers. This is the Tarte concealer I'm using right now. And then I'm going to use Milani's right underneath my eye to give me that bright under eye effect. But I'm going to place this on my entire T-zone area and start blending it out.
Have you seen my Buzz Lightyear?
Have I seen Buzz Lightyear?
Did he walk past you when you were asleep?
He didn't walk past it when I was asleep either. I would have saw a big astronaut.
No, I'm talking about when you were sleeping. You didn't see him.
Yeah, I would have saw a white and lime green and purple astronaut suit walk past me. I ain't seen him walk past.
Yep, but he might be that cute because you can't see him. He probably walked past here, and he walked past here.
Take the wheel. Take the whole wheel. He said, have Buzz Lightyear walk through here? He ain't walk through here. I would have saved him back. I would have saved that astronaut. I ain't see him. Okay. All right, so after indulging into that deep conversation with my nephew, asking me if I seen Buzz Lightyear, I'm gonna go start setting my face. I've already blended out my concealer, and now we're gonna set with some Laura Mercier. Don't forget you must set your cream contour. So I'm going over the areas that I pretty much set for cream contour, and I'm going to set that with a powder contour. Now using my LA Girls Neon Eyeliner, I'm going to start placing this light blue right in my waterline. It's going to really make those colors pop. Now I'm going to use a blue eyeshadow to set that eyeliner just to make it more vibrant. Then I'm going to go in with a black liquid matte lipstick. This is from Stay Golden Cosmetics. You can use code Mika just to save some coins off of your purchase. But this is the most pigmented black I've used thus far. And I'm only using it around my lips because I'm going to be using a eyeshadow base in the middle of my lips. So this is the same eyeshadow base I use on my eyelid. And I'm using this so I can place these neon pigments in the middle of my lips. Now to create the same like effect on my lips, I'm going to go in with the same Sephora liner and I'm going to start creating these triangles on my lips. Now for highlight, I'm going to go in and place some J. LaRue Cosmetics Loose Pigment Highlighter in the shade Nefertiti. I'm going to place that right on my face, and now I'm just pressing in that powder. Now it is time to set, so I'm using Morphe setting spray to set my face. Now I'm going in just adding rhinestones because of course the girl can't completely look without putting some gems on her face. So I'm going to place some black rhinestones around my eyes just to give it a nice little pop. I'm also going to place some J. LaRue Cosmetics white gold loose glitter pigment in my inner corner and place that right on the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my nose to give it a nice little highlight. And y'all, this completes the look. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, just to show your girl some love, and hit the notification bell just to be notified whenever I post more videos. This is just me adding more highlight because the girl got a gliss from Mars, okay? But yes, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post new videos. I will be uploading videos once a week, so please stay tuned and check out the other videos that I have. So yeah, they pretty dope as well. Thank you so much for joining, and until the next video, y'all, see you.